What's up my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anmol, those of you don't know me, and you are on Anmol Wadhwani official. So in today's video we are going to be discussing a really different topic, which was the most requested one on my Instagram stories, because I was using that product and you guys wanted to know the review, but I haven't ever done this type of a video before. So it's going to be a product related video and it's just going to be one product. So without any further ado, let's get into the video and see what I'm going to discuss about. Firstly, I really want to clear this thing out. I am not a dermatologist or a specialist when it comes to skincare, but I'm going to be sharing my experience, what I have experienced while using this product and what I have learned about it over the past few months. Whatever I'm going to say, I'm not saying is wrong or I'm not saying it's absolutely right, but it's just according to my own experience and my own research which I was doing for my skin. You can also understand few of the points and jot down for yourself what things are good for you and for your skin, and you can use them that way. So the product which I'm going to be reviewing and talking about is the Ordinary AHA BHA Peeling Solution. This was the most requested peeling solution you wanted to know about because it is so inexpensive. And those of you who do not know about the brand Ordinary, it sells skincare products which are so good. They focus on their ingredients. That is what I love the most. There are no specific names for it. It is exactly the name, whatever the ingredient has in it, it is about that. So firstly, starting with this product, this is a chemical exfoliator. So what is a chemical exfoliator? An exfoliator is something which we have a sense in our mind is that it has granules in it and we scrub our face and take out the dead skin. So that is what is exfoliator. But when it comes to chemical exfoliations, sometimes there are no scrubs, there are only peeling solutions, there are only liquid solutions from which you can apply it and take off your dead cells. It works same as it works as a scrub, but there are no granules in it. So that is the difference between a chemical exfoliation and this peeling solution is a chemical exfoliator. I would highly request you to do a patch test before using any product, whether it's a chemical exfoliation or whatever product you're using. Always make sure you do a patch test. So starting off, first I'll be explaining you the three basic exfoliating acids which are in the market. So the first one is the AHA, which is the alpha hydroxy acid. The next is the BHA, which is the beta hydroxy acid. These two are the most commonly used terms which you must be hearing from here and there when you're buying products related to skincare. And the third is the PHA, which is the polyhydroxy acid, which you hear very less because it is not yet there in the market so much as the AHA and the BHA. So today we are going to be using the AHA BHA peeling solution. So first I'm going to be explaining you what is AHA. AHA is basically used for the upper layer of your skin. Whatever dead skin cells you have on the upper layer of your skin, AHA helps you to remove that. So it is a very good ingredient in your skincare when you are doing exfoliation or when you have dead cells on your face or you have oiliness on your face. It helps you a lot with that. So there are two basic AHA acids, which are the glycolic acid and the lactic acid. These two acids are very good for the upper layer of exfoliation on your skin. You can use them separately or together, however you feel like. Also, when you think about acids, you feel you're applying acids on your face and it might burn your skin, but don't worry because these acids are concentrated and they won't harm your skin that much. But you have to be very sure about the quantity, about the timing you're applying it for, and what time are you applying, like you're applying it in the daytime or at night. Make sure you read the box and the ingredient list properly so that you don't make any mistakes with your skin. Otherwise you're going to do a lot of damage if you don't take care of all these things. So coming to BHA, BHA is beta hydroxy acid. When you talk about AHA works on the upper layer of your skin, but when you talk about BHA works on the inner layer of your skin, which is the internal layer of your skin. It helps you with that layer, and this is very good for people with oily skin because they tend to have more clogged pores, more sebum, more oil on their face, and it helps with that. So you can't get results just by using the product once. You have to keep on using it at a regular intervals, but regularly for few months to see good results. So the basic acid in the market for BHA is the salicylic acid, which you must be hearing a lot lately because it helps with your whiteheads, your pores, your sebum control, basically your oil, dirt, whatever is clogged in your inner layer of your skin. It even helps with your pimples. So you should use salicylic acid for all these purposes. It will help you a lot because it has a good amount of BHA in it. So coming to the product, that is the peeling solution from Ordinary. So this is the product right here. You don't get it in India. This is a 30 ml bottle, but there are many outlets, or there are many Instagram pages, I would say, which are available in India who sell Ordinary products. Make sure they are original, they are not fake, so that you don't mess up with your skin, which is very, very important. Also talking about this AHA and BHA peeling solution, so this is 30% AHA, which is insane. Like, it is a lot of AHA in it, and the BHA percentage is 2%. That is what I like about Ordinary products, that they give the percentage of the ingredients they have used inside it. So you are knowing what you're putting. So make sure to use this product only once a week. I would not say use it twice a week, even if you're an oily skin or a dry skin, because this is too much of AHA, which can be harmful if you use it 2 or 3 times. Make sure you're using it very, very less amount of it. And also it is also mentioned here, only apply it for 10 minutes, not more than that, because applying more than that can cause you a lot of harm. So I've been using this from quite a while now, I guess a month or so, and I have been loving the application it has been giving to my skin. It literally takes off all the dirt, all the sebum on your face. I don't have sebum, I'm a dry skin, but still it is very, very good for all skin types. That is what I feel, because being a dry skin, I have been liking it. So let's just start applying it, and then I'm going to tell you further more about it. So I have cleaned my face completely. Make sure you use it on pad dry face. Never use it on a wet face, because it is a mask. It is a peeling solution. You have to apply this for 10 minutes and keep it for 10 minutes. So it's a mask. Apply it without any water or anything. So I will just shake it very, very nicely, because you want all the ingredients to be very good. And make sure you always, whenever you're using it, you're shaking it before using it. And I just love the color it has inside it. So I'll just show you the color payoff. It is instantly, like, it looks like blood, deep red blood. So that is what I really like about it. And basically it is not for beginners. If you are a beginner in chemical exfoliations, make sure you're not instantly using it. Start applying little chemical exfoliators before coming to these acids, because it might cause any harm. I would not suggest you to use it, because it can be a little dangerous as it is acid. So be very careful about it. Okay, so I'll start applying it. I am not an Instagram junkie, so I'll be just applying it very roughly like this. Look at the color payoff. It's absolutely blood red. Okay, after applying it, just start spreading it and keep it like a mask. Make sure you're keeping it away from your eyes, because it's not meant for your eyes. Just keep it away from your eyes. So we've applied the mask. Now we're going to keep it only and only for 10 minutes. Make sure you're not keeping it for more than 10 minutes, because the packaging says that you have to keep it for 10 minutes. So the ingredients of the peeling solution is very, very good. It has glycolic acid, salicylic acid and lactic acid, which is very, very good for your skin. You get a packed glowing skin. And if you are suffering from any oiliness or sebum, or your clogged pores, whiteheads, blackheads, it works on that as well. So this is a very, very good product, and it is very inexpensive. Like, it is just for $6 or $7, I guess. I ordered it from US. Somebody got it from me. So you can see the application. I will just keep it for 10 minutes and use it only once a week. The product says that whenever you're using a AHA BHA solution, especially this one, it has acids in it, so after you apply this, always make sure you're using a sunblock when you're going out. Do not use it in the morning time, because morning time can cause you sunburns. Make sure you're using it at night and not in the daytime, because it can cause a little bit of sunburns. But even if you're using it in the morning, always make sure to apply sunscreen after it. Only then you can see the results. That's what the packaging says. I am not sure about the rest, but I have been using a sunblock when I'm using this, so I don't have any problems as such till now. Also, one last thing I would like to suggest, that when you're using this chemical exfoliant, make sure you're not mixing it with the scrub exfoliant. If you're doing a scrub 1 week, then skip this exfoliant, because if you mix both the exfoliants, it can cause you breakouts. Also, when you use this, sometimes you get, the first time you're going to use it, you're going to get a tingling sensation, which is normal. This is a solution which gives you tingling sensation. And also sometimes your skin breaks out. That is very, very normal, because the dirt which is coming out when you go for cleanups, you tend to get a few of the bumps on your face, which is normal. But even after using 2 to 3 times or 2 to 3 weeks, you still start getting bumps, then stop using it, because that might be some allergies which you are getting from the product. But 1 or 2 bumps here and there are okay, because the skin starts to regenerate itself, so that is the reason you get those bumps. So don't worry about that. Exactly after 10 minutes, I washed my face with water, and now I have pat dried my face. Just make sure you pat dry your face, and to be very honest, my skin feels so soft after doing all this. Now what you have to do is, you have to pack in the moisture which you really want it to be there for a longer period of time. So just carry on with your normal skincare routine which you do. Just make sure you're using a moisturizer after it, because then you're going to pack in the moisture. Or you can use a hyaluronic serum or whatever you have, which has hyaluronic acid or hyaluronic serum in it, which is very, very good to pack in the moisture which you have got it from this peeling solution. But my skin feels super glowy and super amazing. So yeah, that was the review on the AHA BHA peeling solution. I hope you guys liked it, and this video was a little informative for you. This was the very first time I've done a product review, so let me know if you like such videos. So I'm going to do more product reviews, and I'm going to explain more about skincare or makeup, whatever you like. And if you were till here, then I am so thankful to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe the bell icon below before going. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with something new. Till then, goodbye.